Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 because of this error code that is 0x800f0805. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Once done, now you can go back to Windows Update and then click on, if you see retry option, hit retry and then update your Windows 11. Still not working, then over here you can see pause update option. You can hit pause over here, and once it is paused, now resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, then run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete over here, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now it will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. So if you're unable to install any particular update, so you will see the name of the update. For example, if you are unable to install, this is just an example, whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of the update over here. So this is just an example. You can write down the name of the update which is giving you the error message. So write down the name of the update and then click on search, and then over here check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case it's Microsoft Windows version 25H2. So in my case version is 25H2. Check your version and then go to Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option, and over here check the system types. For me it's 64-bit x64 based processor. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system, then this is the right one for you, this is the right one for me. Whichever is the version and x64, if it is matching, you can, as per your system, click on download over here, and then over here you will see the name of the update, whichever is the update. For me this is just an example. You can click on the update name over here. You can see KB507, this is the name of the update. So click on your update over here and download it, and once the download is complete you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option. Scroll down, here you can see recovery option, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Now here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. Click, by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, click on finish option over here and do not close this manually. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close, so let it close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next, click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 successfully, and you should not receive this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.